What's up guys, welcome back to this channel for parcel unboxing. We got this from IB Short, who's selling diecast particularly in line of fire trucks. So guys, if you're into buying, just follow this page and check his post for his items for sale. Alright, so what we have here, this is a diecast truck at 1:50 scale. Actually guys, I'm not into fire trucks, but since it has a crane on it, and the particular model is very old school, it's very nostalgic, so I decided to get it. Nakakita na ako ng particular model na ganito, pero hindi siya fire truck. Ano siya? Dump truck. Mga old school truck na ganito. This is my very first fire truck. And wala tayong may isa size comparison dito, pero meron akong old school din na truck. So very secure yung parcel ni Sir IB Short. Thank you very much Sir Ivan for this item. Let's unwrap this. Alright. This is the Steyr 91 series in Rosenbauer livery. Fire rescue equipment vehicle by Conrad model at 1:50 scale. Alright, for the material used in this product, this is diecast metal tong head na nakikita nyong red. Ang plastic sa kanya itong beacon lights, windshield and side windows, saka itong exhaust. This is plastic. Yung logo ng Steyr 91 is embedded dun sa body. Diecast tong bumper. Hindi ako sure kung meron dapat ditong lenses. Butas lang siya guys. On this side, merong few details dito. Very plain lang itong pintuan niya. Plastic tong fenders niya dito. Diecast metal tong body. May missing part dito, ladder. I'm not pretty sure kung diecast yun or plastic. Embedded sa body yung details na to guys. This is diecast. Saka yung part na to dito sa drawer. Rubber tracks with good pattern. Similar dun sa Euro Tracker ko. Material nito is first release ng Conrad. May missing dito guys. Ito yung hubcap. Ayan, magkabila. Pero dito sa rear wheels niya, present pa naman. Ayan, plastic dito na beacon lights. Yung crane niya is diecast metal. Non-functional tong stabilizer niya. Hindi siya threaded guys. Fix lang siya. Yung access ladder is embedded sa body, diecast metal. Yung mga handrails niya is diecast. Itong top part is plastic. For the markings, hanapin natin. That's it, Conrad model. May markings pa doon. Made in Germany. 1:50 scale. Diecast tong underneath niya. Then sa head, meron siyang head tilt. Yun yung engine niya guys. Plastic din yung part na to. Then yung crane niya, yan, based on the picture, ganyan siya supposedly. Para siyang old school din na pal finger, 2-stage. May tiny hook sa gitna. Plastic to mga hydraulic cylinder niya, yung black part. Yan, fix natin later. Then meron pa siyang isang hidden na functionality. Etong top niya, natatanggal to. Plastic lang to guys, tapos sticker lang yung details niya. Good thing andito pa tong sticker. Plastic lang siya lahat. And last but not the least, meron siya mga compartment na can open doors. Ito mga side niya. Die-cast metal yan guys. Yan, may butas doon para dito sa tiny hook. Alright, for the weight, let's check the weight. So that's the weight, 405 grams. And for the comparison, I have the Iveco Euro Tracker. Parehas sila guys na old school. So this is the actual Stair 91 from Stair Daimler patch. Based on research, Stair has 3 models. The 90, 91, and 92. Surprisingly, yung 92 is very similar with Iveco Euro Tracker. Yung itsura ng head. Yeah, may missing lang dito. May ladder siya dapat dito eh. And then dito sa bumper niya, hindi ako sure kung meron siya dapat na nakalagay. Kasi butas lang siya. Yan, we'll fix it later. Ito mga compartment na to, design lang, hindi siya nabubuksan. Yung compartment sa baba nabubuksan guys. That's much of it guys. If you like more of this diecast product review, just follow my page. I have a TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube account. Subscribe guys for more. So I'll see you for the upcoming videos, and goodbye. In the dark where shadows lie, feel the monster.